Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Reply to star question 67. Yes, sir.
Mayralborn, Syiem, your supplementary question.
So I'm delighted to see the response where the answer is yes. For the establishment of more health institutions like PHC sub-center by allocating more capital expenditure. So we are happy that the Tura Medical College have been started for the construction. I would like to know the status of the Shillong Medical College from the Honorable Minister.
Syiem Medical College.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I do not have information about the status of the Shillong Medical College, sir. I require notice.
Thank you, sir. So in the budget speech of the Honorable Chief Minister, we have come across the investment of 1,805 crore total investment in the health sector. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister in charge of health, where it has been mentioned in the speech that 20 out of 31 PHC, CHC may be upgrading. So I would like to know the proposal that have already been sent for the past 3 to 4 years for upgradation of Umshaken sub-center to PHC. What is the intention of the government in this current financial year for the sanction of this upgradation?
So I do not have the specific reply of this particular proposal, sir, because there are over 118 proposals that have already been brought to our attention, and we are on way. But Umshaken is not specifically mentioned, sir. I require notice of this.
So I would request Honorable Minister to please consider for the upgradation of Umshaken sub-center into PHC. So my another supplementary question is with regard to the pending health institution in Ribohoi, that is the trauma center in Nongpo and the MCH hospital at Umran Parila in Umsing. I would like to know the status of these two very important health institutions in Ribohoi district.
So the 50-bedded MCH at Umran is on way. The project cost is about 14 crores. Date of commencement was in January 2018. Our physical progress is 85 to 90%. There is a problem with the water supply, so we have suggested and we are processing a bore well. There is also power supply problem there, sir, and we have already paid the MEEPDCL for that. We also have an approach road that needs to be attended. The proposal for the HR as well has also been sent. We are awaiting sanctioning, sir.
Trauma center, sir, Nongpo, trauma center.
So the trauma center, sir, I have no information. I require notice.
So I would request you, sir, to expedite the process for the inauguration to make it full functional the long-pending trauma center in Nongpo, and I'm very happy to hear that the MCH hospital in Umran Parila Umsning will be made functional very soon. So when we talk about the health institution, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in its website has written establishment of 158 medical college sanctioned under central sponsored scheme with a focus on under-reserved area and aspirational district, a special mention for aspirational district. As informed by the National Medical Commission, there are 358 government and 296 private medical colleges in the country as of now. The ministry administers a central sponsored scheme for establishment of new medical college attached to the existing district or referral hospital with preference to under-reserved area and aspirational district. With the center, the fund sharing between the center and the state government in the ratio of 90:10. So my intention to bring into the notice of the government, even though maybe I sound too optimistic, but Riboy, which has been regarded as aspirational district since 2018, with special focus on two parameters, education and health. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, why not explore possibility where the central government has opened its arm in helping the state government in having one medical college in Riboy. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister if the intention of the government is already there. If not, please explore possibility for setting up a medical college in Riboy district, sir. This is my question.
Point raised by the Honorable MLA, sir, has been noted. But because of this indicator of Riboy having performed excellently well at the Delta Rhine, we have taken up other interventions, sir. The proposal for the medical college is under active consideration, but we need time and we are exploring the possibility, which cannot be committed completely at this point of time, sir. We are considering it and we are already looking into the matter, but we have not made much headway, but we are looking into it, sir.
Dr. Mijanu.
My last question.
Okay.
Yeah, last. So when we visited civil hospital in different district headquarters or even PHC, CHC also, there is lots of issues with regard to appointment of specialists and medical officers also. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister to expedite process of appointing more specialists in, be it gynecologists, be it pediatric, be it orthopedic, in different institutions, be it civil hospital Shillong or Nongpo or Tura or Maukurwat or Jowai in all district headquarters, and even appointment of medical officer in respective PHCs and CHC within the, if it is to expedite process through MPSC, I would like the health department, to the Honorable Minister, to take serious note on this.
Honorable Speaker, sir, Meghalaya has a total sanction of 375 specialists, but we have about 225 in position today. So, in the latest recruitment drive done through the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board, about 397 new medical officers were recruited, sir, out of which there are about 83 specialists. Despite the recent recruitment, there is still a gap of 150 specialists in the state, which is indeed a cause of concern. We are on the job and we have various specialists now being posted, sir, and the department will look into the matter urgently, sir.
That how many hospitals which are termed as referral centers are there throughout the state at present? Thank you, sir.